everybody. I'm Kelly. I'm the founder of Collage Lab, and today I'm going to share some tips and tricks. So today I'm going to talk about using prompts, and I'm going to show you a quick little video of me creating my latest piece called Playground. It's an abstract mixed media collage that I used some prompts for. Prompts sometimes feel like they constrain you, and sometimes you go along with a series of prompts, a daily challenge, something like that, just to express your creativity and to get moving and get a daily practice going. And sometimes we spend a lot of time working with prompts and not actually exploring our own creativity and our own style. And so what I'm doing in this piece is I'm combining several prompts, and let me just share with you the prompts that I'm using. So in our membership, we do a monthly challenge. Last month, the monthly challenge was to use dots. So I'm going to use dots in this collage. At the beginning of the year, I did some goal planning and strategic look at both my art and my business, and I chose a word of the year. The word I chose is bold. Both bold choices in my artwork and also making some bold moves in my business. We just finished up Collage Coaching Week a couple weeks ago, and one of the assignments from that was to create a collage using mainly our own painted papers. So I'm going to use dots. I'm going to use the prompt bold. I'm going to use mainly painted papers, and then I'm going to add in some mark making. So those are the things that I'm thinking about as prompts while I am creating this piece. So I hope you will enjoy this quick little look behind the scenes. I would show you the piece, except it was just juried into an exhibit that opens this week, and so it is no longer in the studio, but I've got images to share. So I'm going to use dots, I'm going to use painted papers, I'm going to use mark making, and I'm going to think about my word of the year, which is bold. So I hope you enjoy this little speed through.